I'm Kelsey, and I'm a packaging associate specialist at Nestlé. I spent 3 years in 3 different Nestlé factories. I did not have a desk job. I worked on factory lines addressing problems. But I did have the aspiration to move into more of a strategic development role in packaging. I wanted to focus on things that I was passionate about, and one of those areas was sustainability. My manager, we were in a one-on-one meeting, and I remember him asking me what I wanted to do in my next role. I remember being like, I hope this doesn't come off the wrong way, but I want to shift to the packaging team. And he said, I understand that, and let's try to shape our projects along those lines so you can get that added experience. I felt empowered and I felt trusted. Now I'm strategically working on projects to improve the environment for generations to come. I have a little sister. She started calling me the box doctor. I think she meant fixing issues in regards to packaging to get us where we need to be in the years to come. You know, what's more exciting than that? Nestlé is such a great place to work because of the empowerment you have to make a difference and lead for results, and the trust given to expand your career.